It's a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this perfect for the family and perfect for you. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, smart device navigation, hands-free liftgate, remote engine start, and automatic transmission. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.